Everything I can do, you can do better. Everything I can do, you can do too.
In honor of Bill Alexander's birthday and reaching over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, today we celebrate the impact Bill had not only on the art world, but on our hearts. Many of us did not have the pleasure of knowing him personally, but his warm smile always made us feel so welcomed. His happiness was contagious, and his passion overflowed onto the canvas. Every time he picked up a brush, he came into our lives and taught us how to paint. He showed us true happiness and taught us that it's okay to make mistakes. He was a teacher, a friend, and a believer. And now, over 100 years later, we celebrate him.
Hello, I'm Lori Anderson, and I'm here to invite you to a very special event that's going to happen this Saturday on YouTube. It's in celebration of Bill Alexander's 107th birthday and our 100,000 YouTube subscribers. A while back, we sent out a survey asking people, what would you like to know about Bill Alexander? And the responses were many. We are so excited to be able to answer some of your questions. Many of your questions will be answered this Saturday, and your questions help shape our show. You are in for a real treat. I believe by the end of the event, you will have a better understanding and appreciation for this man we love so well, Bill Alexander, the original happy painter. We'll see you on Saturday.